Let's talk about an invention that completely rewrites the history of industrial automation.
When you think automation, you probably picture the Industrial Revolution, right?
But what if that whole story is off by, say, 1,500 years? Meet the Hierapolis Sawmill. Long before steam, Romans were mass-producing stone with water power. This is the earliest known machine to use a crank and connecting rod. It's a game changer.
This was their key to an industrial age, replacing human muscle with machine power.
So how'd they turn a river's flow into perfectly cut marble? The answer is just brilliant.
The challenge was turning a wheel spin into a powerful back-and-forth cutting motion.
And they solved it with this genius crank mechanism. Look how simple and effective it is.
This is a really big deal. It's the first recorded use of this system ever.
Think about it. This completely eliminated slow, back-breaking manual sawing. And the impact on production speed? Well, it was immediate and absolutely massive. Get this. A single water wheel could power 2 saws at once, instantly doubling the output.
And these things weren't cutting wood. They use iron blades and sand to slice through stone. And this wasn't some one-off experiment. These sawmills were all over the Roman Empire.
So yeah, this find is critical. It forces us to rethink the entire timeline of technology. Which leaves us with a huge what if. If Rome had factories, why no industrial revolution?
To dig into more lost tech like this, make sure you subscribe to Ancient Archive Blueprints.